In this video, we're going to talk about our Sony FX9 battery slides. It's available in a gold mount and a V-mount version, and each one has 3 power taps for accessories, 2 on the side and 1 on the top. These have a digital fuse built in so that if you short one of them or if you draw too much current, the red light will come on and power will be disabled. You can fix the situation and then push the reset button to re-enable power. To install the battery slide on the back of the camera, we'll first remove the plastic cover plate using a Phillips jeweler style screwdriver. Remove these 2 small black screws. Next, we can remove the cover plate by sliding backwards. And then we'll align the locating pin on the power plate with the locating pin on the back of the camera. Then we'll use our 3mm Allen wrench and tighten the socket caps into place. Once that's tight, we can swing up the battery plate and install the DC input connector. There's a regulator in this battery plate that converts standard battery voltage to 19.5 volts, which the camera requires. To adjust the battery plate on the back, you can unlock the side thumb screw. Then you can raise the battery plate to change the center of gravity. You can also simply grab and pull the plate out to access the BPU battery slot on the back. This is great so you can have a BPU battery installed while still adding a cinema camera battery on the back, and hot swap between the two. A shorter BPU battery will sit flush with the back of the camera and allow the plate to sit vertically. These products are available in our store now.